stress is a huge drain on energy. And so if they're stressed, they start creating hormone shifts, cortisol levels go up. All that requires energy to manage that fear factor and adrenaline release and those kind of things. So energy is pulled away from other systems.
Ron Gill is a Texas A&M AgriLife Extension professor and livestock specialist.
One in particular is the immune system. So if we stress cattle, and the immune system is probably the biggest drain on energy reserves. So if we do anything from a stress standpoint, and handling being part of that, we can weaken their immune system because they don't have enough energy to draw on. We see the same thing if we start increasing cortisol levels in the bloodstream. We can actually decrease the reproductive performance of cattle in an artificial insemination program.
Gill adds that meat quality can also be affected.
All these stressors release hormones, create lactic acid in the muscle, and it will taste and have different texture if we handle them incorrectly. And plus it increases the risk of bruising and things like that in cattle that are going to the market.
Energy and protein are what creates growth in cattle.
So if we have more energy going to growth rather than stress, cattle perform more. So we'll see an improvement in immune response, improvement in gain, improvement in carcass quality, improvement in reproductive performance. And so it just makes sense if you're in the business of growing cattle and growing them efficiently that you would try to reduce stress on them.
I'm Shel Winkley, looking at Central Texas agriculture from the ground up.
From the Ground Up is sponsored by Producers Cooperative, proudly serving agriculture since 1943.